Just make myself some toast. Who put the toaster oven on 6? I mean, that's not even good toast. 4 is good toast. 5 is burnt toast, but 6? What were you cremating in my toaster oven?
Look how silly this is!
Are they gone?
You have to like do. Oh. Okay. Aaron, don't leave. Aaron! I love you!
No, I'm fucking done! I'm fucking done!
No, you're not.
This is bullshit!
I'm gonna go.
This is fucking bullshit! But look what we're dealing with, man!
Aaron!
You gotta draw the line somewhere!
Aaron,
You gotta draw a fucking line in the sand, dude!
Aaron,
you gotta make a statement! You gotta look inside yourself and say, what am I willing to put up with today? Not fucking this!
You, painting with the fat back, come here.
He said fatback, not flat. Hi, what do you want?
Hey, I beg you bust me your snap.
I'm okay, thanks. Plus, I've got a boyfriend.
Yeah, but will he blow your back out like me? For your information, mate, I blow his back out. Now fuck off. I'm raw, say mums, that's a man. Yeah, that's what I thought, pussy you.
Anyway, girls, should we go shopping now?
This is not my arm.
Hey, your chin feels nice.